Okay, welcome again. Let's do the continuation of the biotic factors. We are done with gradation. This one is the second one that we are doing. It's about competition. And on this competition, what's competition? This is just whereby two or more organisms are competing for similar results within the same ecosystem, and this one is width of these results is limited. I can give you an example. You have the lions, the leopards, and even the cheetahs. Those two organisms, maybe in the grassland, they are competing for the gazelle. So what will happen? That gazelles are the one we were speaking about. They are being limited. And which are these two organisms? The same, not the lions, and even the what? The lions and the cheetahs are competing. And the same results that we are speaking about is the gazelle. So if this organism is not well adapted, let's say the lion is not well adapted, the cheetah is well adapted, that lion is the one that will be eliminated and it will die, or for it to survive, it has to migrate. So there is a migration and the population will definitely reduce. While these other ones, they will start to increase. The one which is well adapted and which is not one which is well adapted. We can speak about those cheetahs. They will now survive, but after some time they will undergo another different form of competition, which is called intraspecific competition. Because of the increased number, they will now increase and they will start exploiting themselves. So again, we want cheetah which is more adapted, is the one that can survive. And this takes us to the types of competition. We have two types of competition: intraspecific and interspecific. Intraspecific is competition with organisms of the same species. Let's use paramecium. You have the paramecium caudatum, the paramecium aurelia. If it's about paramecium caudatum and the paramecium caudatum, that form of competition that they will be undergoing will be intraspecific. And can you remember the same ones? Not just the same organism, they are the same species. Then this competition of the interspecific is competition with organisms of different species, e.g. paramecium, caudatum, and paramecium aurelia. So those two organisms we are speaking about, they are different species, and that is what? Interspecific competition. We have something called competition exclusion principles. What is the competition? What is this law? It states that if organisms occupy the same ecological niche, what will happen? Sooner or later, one of the organisms has to be excluded or eliminated. That is the law of competition exclusion principle. Comes from this point. When you say if an organism cannot compete well, sooner or later, what will happen? That one organism has to be eliminated. And we say elimination can either be death or migration. That is now the competition exclusion principle. That competition is important. This is the importance of competition. Just like predation, it will be regulating the population. It will be regulating the population. You get a question you are explain why the wild animals have the higher carrying capacity than what? Than the cattle. When you speak about the cattle, cattle are just what? Graces. When you speak about cattle, you what? Graces, right? So it means they will undergo a form of competition, intra-specific competition. When we speak about the wild animals are very thereby we love carnivorous. We have the herbivores, and still on the herbivores, we still have the grazers, and we still have browsers. And what will be the importance of this one? Their competition will be very limited, because some will eat flesh, some others will eat grass, some others will eat from the upper section of the stomach. That is the main reason for that. Then now we have a graphical representation of the same, where we culture and use the paramecium. We have two culture methods here. this one, I've placed here paramecia. These are just paramecia, caudatum. Then under these, on this other culture, I place paramecia, aurelia. What do we mean here? These are competing by themselves, these are competing by themselves. Right? So it means the form of competition that we are undergoing is what? A intraspecific competition. This one is the graphical way, how it will appear. They will just rise, both of them will just do what? Will rise. So what happens? As we increase in time, right? There are also population increases. But it will increase up to a certain point now, it becomes constant, and definitely it will increase because of intra-specific competition. Hope you're getting the point. Then now we have this one culture, but now we have different. We have paramecia, caudatum, and these are the ones paramecia, aurelia. So we are saying this one is A and this one is B. We take this one B, A, we take this one B, B. So what will happen? The graph will behave in this manner. One will rise, the other one will just drop at an alt each. So this one is the A, paramecia caudatum, that is A, and this one is B. So we mean the A, which is paramecia caudatum. Sorry, this one is aurelia. Aurelia was not competing well. The B was not competing well. So this one will be A, and this one will be B. And the B is paramecia caudatum. Paramecia what? Caudatum, and the paramecia aurelia. So aurelia was developing more. So we're speaking about here, we have paramecia caudatum. B should be the one which is the highest. So it's which one? B was caudatum. B, this one is A. So what happens? This one has higher competitive ability as compared to this one. This one will be excluded. We say the principle states that if organisms of the same species, if it says that if organisms occupy the same ecological niche, we have placed the same culture, what will happen? Sooner or later, one has to be eliminated. So the A has been eliminated because this one has higher competitive ability. That is about competition. My next slide I'll make about predation and symbiotism. So you're welcome. You can like, subscribe, so that when we do next, you can get more and more to understand. Thank you very much.